Thankfully, the immediate health benefits of quitting smoking are quite incredible, and the long-term benefits of quitting are seriously hard to ignore. Just 20 minutes to 12 hours after quitting, heart rate and blood pressure begin to return to normal. Carbon monoxide levels also drop to normal as the blood's oxygen carrying capacity increases. Heart attack risk begins to decrease after just 1 day of ceasing. After 2 days, the nerve endings responsible for smell and taste start to recover. 1 month in, lungs become healthier, resulting in less coughing and shortness of breath. The heart starts working more efficiently, resulting in exercise becoming easier. The immune system also starts recovering. A year after quitting, heart disease risk drops to half. Lung function continues to improve as small airways are healthier and lungs work better than if smoking was continued. 2 to 5 years after quitting, the chances of clots forming decline drastically, and the risk of stroke continues to decrease. After 10 to 15 years of quitting, the risk of lung cancer is half that of someone who currently smokes, and the risk of heart disease is similar to that of someone who never smoked.